I invented these in a single car garage. In this video I am going to show how I mounted this to my workbench. They're available at thetoolswing.com. Here I'm just showing how it's important to be careful. There are pinch points. Put a vice grip here to make sure the tool swing doesn't accidentally swing and pinch you. Do as I say, not as I do. This is a Wilton 8.5-inch vise. It weighs 78 pounds. Here I am adjusting the placement of the vise where I like it. Slid all the way to the front of the tool swing. Here is a test fit to make sure your vise will fit and the tool swing will clear properly. Making sure to handle the tool swing with caution. Fits on there perfect. Here I am showing where I would like to have the front edge of my workbench. This will keep the tool swing from sticking out more than it needs to. Here, I'm measuring. Left hand is where the edge of the workbench should be back to the center of the first mounting hole of the tool swing. Looks like 6 inches from the front edge of the workbench to the center of the first mounting hole of the tool swing. Here I'm measuring over from the edge of the workbench the proper distance to make sure it clears the leg of the workbench. Here I'm center punching the first hole. The 6 inches back, and the proper distance from the right edge of the bench to clear the leg. Here I'm setting up the mag drill with the 5/8 of an inch cutter. How I mark the other holes you are going to want to see. It may help you with this and other projects.
If you like this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. It will really help the channel. Thanks.
Forgot my damn gloves. All better now. These mag drills drill like a hot knife through butter. This is thick stuff. I have my first bolt put in. Now I'm going to use this self-centering punch to align the other holes. The cone part is spring-loaded, allowing it to center in any size hole. The center punch part is free, allowing you to transfer a center punch in any size hole, depending on the size you buy. Links in the description below. Here I am just swiveling the tool swing out of the way to center punch a little deeper. Got the mag drill set up and forgot my damn gloves again. Ready to go. Again, like a hot knife through butter. Get the next 2 bolts in. Now it is time to mount the tool swing underneath the workbench. I am just going to use regular bolts until the countersunk bolts arrive. There are 1.5-inch braces under the bench top, so I cut spacers out of some pipe to space it down accordingly. 1 for each bolt. I make this model for a vise and also a bench grinder model that will fit other tools as well, like small miter saws, belt sanders, and more. The link to the website is directly below. Time to tighten her down. Time to swing her up. Perfect. Time to place the vise and mark the first hole. Going to drill the first hole and bolt the vise down to mark the rest.
Haven't hit the subscribe button yet? Here's a great time to do it.
Now to drill the rest of the holes. Now let's get her bolted down. Finally. Watch how easy these work and how strong they are. These are available now at thetoolswing.com.